guys, I'm Shibumi Jones. We're gonna make a braised short rib. We got some English cut short ribs. We're gonna actually do it with the sous vide cooking method. So we're gonna do 165 for 12 hours. So it's almost about 9 o'clock tonight. So I'm gonna vacuum pack them, get them in the circulator, and we're gonna circulate them all night until 9 in the morning. And then we're gonna take them out, kind of cool them down, separate the sauce from the meat, and then we're gonna make a sauce from there. I'm not sure what we're gonna serve it with. I'm gonna see what I got in my fridge. It's quarantine right now, so not really trying to go anywhere, but get creative with whatever I got in my fridge. Hey guys, so I was going through my refrigerator and I found a parsnip, an apple, probably gonna use a little tiny piece of fennel that I found, and some sour cream. So I'm gonna make like a little apple parsnip puree to go with these short ribs. These are gonna be really rich and meaty, so it'll be nice to balance it out with a sweet, starchy, a little bit lighter than mashed potatoes. So we're gonna pair that together. It's gonna go really nicely. I'm going to make the parsnip apple puree now. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna check on these. I'm gonna remove the ribs. I'm gonna keep the cooking liquid. I'm gonna reduce that down into a nice rich sauce. So then we'll have our parsnip apple puree. We'll have our beautiful English cut short ribs with a little drizzle of sauce on top. So that's gonna look really awesome. My apples are taking a minute to cook, so I'm gonna make a cartouche to put on the top of my apple and parsnip puree. So I'm gonna use parchment paper, and I'm gonna make a little cartouche top for that. So it keeps the heat concentrated on the apples and parsnips, and they're easier for them to break down. So you fold it in half, act like you're making a little airplane. Then we're gonna fold that in half like this. And then we're gonna fold it again like this, and then we're gonna measure from the center of the pot out. So we're gonna measure basically the diameter, we're gonna cut it, make a little tiny hole in the middle, and we're gonna put it on top of our vegetable. All right, so here's our cartouche. I'm gonna make a little tiny hole right here. And here you have it. Basically, that's gonna trap the steam inside. It's really gonna break down the starches much quicker. So that should be ready any minute. You can also make this recipe with regular cut short ribs. They're much smaller than this. Short ribs come small, they come boneless, and you can use this recipe for any one of these. The bone doesn't really make a difference as far as the cooking is concerned. Bones don't really conduct heat very well. They're pretty porous, and so whether you have a bone or not, it should cook the same. We're gonna use a little bit of the beef fat. We skimmed up the sauce. We're gonna throw the shallots in there, deglaze with some wine, and then we're gonna you like food, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming up. I'm going to try to put more videos out there. I do a lot with the immersion circulator and the sous vide cooking method. So if you have one of these and you're not really sure what the possibilities are, what you could cook with it, subscribe, because I have a lot of recipes coming up with the sous vide method, so it'll give you ideas, inspire you. That's what I try to do with my channel, is just inspire people to cook. So please subscribe to my channel.